Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am here today to share. I am very excited. This is April's 2018 Planner Society kit, and I love what came this month. I say that every month, though. I love all of them, and there is not one that I do not love. And I have these are the functional stickers. It's a separate kit on its own. And let me see if I can zoom in. There we go. And every month they come and they will usually be matched to the color and the designs of the current kit. And these are the ones that came this month, and these are beautiful. I love this color combination. Love it. Especially now for summer, it makes me think of oceans and things like that. And love that leopard pattern on that envelope. And this is the washi kit, and it came this month with this pretty washi. And the only thing that I'm always stumped for how to use is the thick one, but I try to use it to seal my envelopes up. And then there's that one. Real pretty. Very pretty, very refreshing. It all matches. And then those are the washi. And then this is the kit itself. I need to drool over this paper for just a second. Just beautiful. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for just yet, but I'm sure I will put it to good use. Let's see what we have in here. And this is what came as part of the kit. There's some more of that beautiful paper, and I'm not going to open this as usual because I don't like them to get kind of damaged until I have a chance to use them, so I open them up at a later time. But those are the papers in there. And there's other YouTubers who do open it up because they're going to use it right away, or they don't mind opening it up, and they will, so that way you can take a peek at those. Then there's these paper clips. And how cute is this? I am loving these fabric type, almost like iron-on stickers. But of course I don't use them for that. I use them to make little bookmarks for my books and for my planners and my journals. And these are the little tabs. These I try to use for my planner. I change them every month. I found a way to stick them down with washi or clear tape where they don't get damaged, and I can use them over and over again. I need to find another use for them besides that, so that way they can get used more. And then there is the little bow. And I don't use too many of these. These are a little bit harder for me to use. Sometimes I'll hang them on my purse, depending on what the theme of the month is. But those I don't particularly love. I'll use them, but I don't love them. And these, how cute is that? Two skinny washies. Those I do love to put in my planner. And back to the bow. I do use it and I will use it, but not normally as a tassel or hanging on my planner, but I'll use it as a bookmark or in some shape, way, or form. I will use it, just not usually for its intended purposes. Oh my goodness. Let's just admire this for just a second. How beautiful is that? Oh, I am itching now to sit down and write some letters. How cute. I love the tip. And hopefully this pen is refillable, just like I found some of the other ones are refillable. Depending on which one it is, it has a nice weight to it, and the glitter doesn't move, it's stable, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Let me just keep it in its little pouch. There we go. And then we have some puffy stickers. Cute. She does this every once in a while. Christy from the Planner Society does this every once in a while. The little puffy stickers, very adorable. I don't tend to add those very much to my letters because they kind of add a little bumpiness to it. Now, this is an adorable sticky note, very functional. There's plenty of space to write a note on if you needed to. A lot of the stickers that have been coming, or the sticky notes, have been kind of more on the decorative side. Not too much space to write in, or just none at all. So this is really, really, really cute and functional. And this is adorable. I was reading, somebody was asking what people were going to use their felt envelope for, and some gal said she was going to use it to hold her coupons. I think that was an awesome idea. Look how cute that is. Or I can use it to hold something else. I haven't decided yet, but it's adorable. How cute is that? Oh, no, it's just a sewn fairy from the other side. No, it's got a little something stuck on there, but it's white on the inside. Oh my goodness, that's just stark white. That is adorable. I hope it doesn't get super dirty on me real easy, but I guess I will see. I'm not very good at putting this back the way it was. There we go. Not quite the same, but close enough, I suppose. That is so cute. I am loving these little flowers down there. Adorable. And now, this packet I had not opened, and I do not like. I usually try to open them where I can use the paper from the package for something else with my heat tool. I'm going to try to get this one open, so at least I can peek in, and then maybe use the heat tool to get the rest of the sticky off. It looks like it's coming up fairly okay. Doesn't look like it's tearing into the paper or anything. All right, that wasn't too terrible. Most of the times you can't get it off without causing some damage to the paper, but wow, that was fairly painless. Okay, and here we have, oh, these are so cute. So cute, so cute. These are little decorative stickers, and now these I do use either for snail mail or in my planner or in my journals, depending on where the mood strikes. I will use this for a variety of things. These are so cute. They're so pretty. Oh, how cute little boxes. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, something similar to this was available as a printable in the Scarlet Lime shop. No, this is just one of them. I thought it was two. Cute. And I may have some of these that I can print, and so I have more to use than just what I got there. And last but not least, the ephemera package. Now, you know, this is a real cute idea to have a box like this when you're opening little small. I had not thought of it before, ephemeras. So that way there's less chance of losing the little pieces. Just thought of that. That just hit me. Oh, pretty. Look how cute. Little eyeglasses. These are adorable. Oh my goodness, look at the coffee cup. Oh, I love these. Cute. Little bow. There's so many of them. So many. Here's a little one, a very tiny one. But yes, this is a good idea to carry a box like this underneath. I'm going too slow or too fast. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to go through them relatively quickly, I suppose. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Little fan. We might need that in summer now. Look how cute. Oh, adorable. These are pretty sturdy too. They can make, you laminate them, you can make some really cute bookmarks. And there they go. And then she did this last month where she included these cards along with the ephemeras. She has these little cards, and I love to put these in my dashboards just as a motivational pickup. And then once I'm done using them, then I will pass them on to another planner, pen friend, who will use them some way in their planners as well. So that way it gets, spread the love a little bit. But anyhow, that is all that I have. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and open these pages because I have a feeling that these papers are going to get used rather quickly. So let me open the packet of paper. So I don't think these will have a chance to get damaged, because I would love to make some dashboards with these papers in my planner. I do have the, it's a fabric planner that I'm using now from Kiki K, and it's the one with the watermelons on the outside. It's an older Kiki K, but I might have to make dashboards with this paper. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And there's 2 of each. Beautiful, beautiful. Here's one that's like a laminate plastic, and here's some vellum. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that vellum. Here's another vellum in that beautiful floral print. And there's got butterflies and gold tone. And then the pretty leopard print. How adorable is that? I love that. Anyhow, that is all that came in this month. I say that is all, like it wasn't enough. It's more than enough. This is beautiful. Every time this comes and I look at what every different month brings, I'm always in awe of what I have to use from that box. And I don't use it all in one month, even though it's a monthly kit. Sometimes it might take me several months to use up a kit, and sometimes I blend them in together, and I'll use parts from one kit and parts from another. Whatever inspires me at that point in time, and that's probably, I don't know if others do it that way or if you just want to stick to one box, 1 month. But if I were to just wait to be able to use this box to use the next one, I would have dozens of these, and I wouldn't get through. It takes me a while to get through all of them that way. But if I mix and match them, and I use little bits from all of them, then that way they all get used. And then whatever I'm not inspired to use, or whatever I can't use, I offer it up to one of my pen friends and see if it's something that they may use, and then just send it along when I send them a letter. But that's the way that I do it. If not, these things would just accumulate to no end, and I would never get any joy out of it. But anyhow, that is all that I have for today. And if you have a way that you use your box that you receive and you would like to share it down below, if you have a video of you making something with your supplies, let me know too. I would love to visit your channel and see what you're making. If you have an Instagram channel with pictures, I would love to know that too. Share those in the comments down below, and that way I can visit and see what you're making. Anyhow, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back at a later time. Bye now.